Jungle Super Chef. The Jungle Super Chef competition final round is in progress. Holly Hippo, Ali Alligator, and Lemmy Lion are the finalists. Today you will be judged by none other than Chef Orangutan. There is a huge round of applause from the crowd. The three contestants look nervous. A quick tip for you. I'm bananas about bananas. Today's main ingredients is banana, says Chef Argentin. Holly bakes a delicious banana cake. Wonderful, says Chef Argentin. Ali bakes banana tart. Divine, says Chef Argentin as he takes a bite of it. Wang wipes up a sensational banana mouse. Banana-licious, says Chef Orangutan. This is Jungle Super Chef first. All of you will share the Super Chef title. They are all winners. Woohoo!